Okay, pag may trabaho, may pagkain sa gilid. Okay? Okay, this one. Floor, Habibi, Chusi, Lala. Okay. Presently, I live here, Davao. But soon, there is a Jin-san, General Santos. So, it means General Santos. Okay? There is a white seed and a black seed was found out on the Oro. Okay. Ito yung roots. Itong roots na to, ito yung mga nagmi-mission ng mga missionary or yung mga person na may mga mission. So, ito yon Good Samaritan mission person. And Good Samaritan, yun yung additional ko na ano. Ito yung meaning ng pangalan ko. Floor, all people step on the floor. Habibi is hub and baby for Middle East or Muslim country. Lala means love Allah. Okay? Choosy means choosy, chosen, psycho. Choosy means walang kakaiba, walang kapareha. Then chosen and psycho. Next, this stock is ito yung ano tinatawag natin na ano yung sa ano pa yung steam or stock or trunk na ano. Ito, President and Vice President. Itong mga branches na to, ito yung tinatawag na divine and government. Okay. Hindi destroy yung government, hindi din i-destroy yung divine, kasi magsasanipwersa sila for helping us to catch and to support people on the ground, local, national, per country. So, this is it. This is the branches. So, there is a two. Okay, there is a two functional. So, dalawa nilagay ko para walang away. Ayoko ng away, ayoko ng personal interest, take advantage or something yun. So, ito yung leaves. Yung leaves, buhay ng tao, may gay, may adult na green, may Nile green na yung baby, may brown color, which is senior. Pag nahulog ang dahon, ay meron pang tomboy. Okay, pag nahulog ang dahon, ibig sabihin, namamatayan. Not London Bridge are falling down. It's a leaves falling down. And then, that was the life of a human being. If there is a brown here, that means a senior citizen. But, the leaves is falling down, it means that is the death. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon, mostly I found out based on actual observance here on the ground. Ang tao pag namatay, unang-una problema hospital bills, funeral, burial, interment, financial, family heartache. Instead na makatulong yung sugal kasi pinapalakas natin for support o financial, nag-aaway dahil sa nag-aaway dahil sa pera. Instead na makatulong, pinag-aawayan. So, instead na makatulong, pinag-aawayan. Anong gusto nyo? Alisin ko o hindi? Masaya naman ako na nakikita ko yung mga tao na naglalaro. But that is unity. That is the bonding to avoid heartache. So, nakakatulong. So, ngayon, tinatanggal ko yung yung bayad ng sementeryo, yung funeral, at saka yung aayusin yung, meron tayong dalawang account white and black and gold. but I set aside the gold. That is a backup. So, white account and black account, it means white account, functional on day. Black account, functional at night. Ang responsibility sa black account, aayusin yung sementeryo. Bigyan natin ng spasyo yung mga patay para hindi tayo mag-earthquake, hindi tayo masusunog, hindi tayo uulanin na malakas, para magkakaroon tayo ng relationship with the two types of human life. That was the night and day. Para hindi mag-away sa langit, hindi mag-war dito sa lupa, hindi mag-war sa ibang bansa. So, magkakaroon tayo ng, hindi na tayo 7 years great tribulation. Hindi lang tribulite na para sa mga tribo. Kung hindi, meron tayong ibibigay na privacy or giving importance or respect those who are living at night and those who are living at day. Fair. Para hindi lalaki yung itlog na naninirahan sa araw at yung hindi rin naiipit yung mga soul at night, para hindi mag-iingay yung mga aso at pusa natin. Kasi sa totoo niyan, aso at pusa lang nakakita sa kanila, kaya lalaki yung itlog ninyo kasi hindi nyo nakikita yung mga kalag sa gabi. Kaya bigyan natin sila ng importansya para walang trahedya at masaya na mamumuhay ng tahimik at saka puno ng pagkain.